Welcome to London, a city where history meets modernity on every corner. Whether you're here for business, sightseeing, or just to soak in the vibe, getting around this vibrant metropolis is simple, as long as you know the rules. In this video, we'll show you how to get around London with an Oyster card, as well as some insider tips to make your trip go more smoothly and fun. Step 1. Buying an Oyster card. The first thing you will need is an Oyster card. It's a smart card that provides access to the London Underground, buses, trams, trains, and even riverboats. Consider it your key to the city's complete public transportation system. There are a few ways to obtain an Oyster card. At underground stations, you can buy one from a ticket machine or a staff ticket office. The machine will walk you through the steps. There is a £5 refundable deposit, and you can load up the card with whatever amount you like. Before you arrive in London, you can obtain an Oyster card online and have it mailed to your address. Convenience stores. Many establishments that exhibit the Oyster symbol also sell and recharge Oyster cards. Visitor centers. Major transit hubs, such as Heathrow Airport and King's Cross Station, feature visitor centers where you can purchase an Oyster card. Remember, if you'll be in London for a week or more, you should consider loading a travel card onto your Oyster card. This grants you limitless travel within specific zones. Step 2. Using the Oyster card. Once you have your Oyster card, using it is simple. Here's how. On the tube, overground, and DLR, tap your card on the yellow scanner at the beginning and conclusion of your ride. On buses and trams, simply tap once when you board. There is no need to tap out. One of the benefits of utilizing an Oyster card is the daily cap. This means you will not pay more than a set sum per day, regardless of how many trips you make. It's an excellent approach to keep travel expenses predictable. Tip: always make sure you have enough credit on your Oyster card before beginning your journey, especially if you're going to an airport or flying late at night. Step 3. Important tips for getting around. Tip 1. Off-peak travel. Travel during off-peak hours, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. and after 7 p.m., to save money and avoid crowds. Off-peak pricing is typically available throughout the day on weekends and bank holidays. Tip 2. Mind the gap. Always mind the gap between the train and the platform. This classic remark is announced at various stations and serves as a reminder to take caution when entering or disembarking trains. Tip 3. Plan your route. London's transportation system might be complicated, so plan your journey ahead of time. Use applications such as Citymapper is ideal for real-time updates and route suggestions. Google Maps is a reliable source for general directions. TfL Go, the official transport for London app, featuring live service updates. Keep in mind that some stations, particularly those in downtown London, have several exits. Knowing which exit to take can help you save time and avoid confusion. Tip 4. Top up smartly. Setting up auto top-up online saves you the worry of running out of credit. Alternatively, keep an eye on your balance and replenish it when it becomes low. You may top up at any station, convenience store, or on the TfL website. Tip 5. Alternative payment methods. You can use your contactless bank card or smartphone with mobile payment instead of an Oyster card. The fares and daily caps are the same, making it a convenient choice if you don't want to carry another card. Step 4. Navigating popular routes. Here are some popular routes you could take as a visitor. Heathrow to Central London. The Piccadilly line provides a direct connection. Tower of London to Buckingham Palace. Take the District or Circle line from Tower Hill to St James's Park. Camden Market to Notting Hill. Take the Northern line to Tottenham Court Road, then transfer to the Central line. Pro tip: if you're visiting several locations in one day, think about the best way to reduce travel time. With your Oyster card in hand, you can tour London like a pro. From the medieval Tower of London to the futuristic skyline of Canary Wharf, there's a lot to see, and getting around doesn't have to be difficult, so get on a bus, use the tube, or float down the Thames. The city awaits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels, and enjoy your London adventure.